Hazur, he referred the verse from the Holy Quran, and he said that we know about the attributes of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his good qualities. We would like to...
But you should translate him in Arabic. He spoke Arabic? So I'm sorry. I understood him so well. Yes. I thought he was speaking English. Please continue.
Yes, and he would like to know what were those attributes that were displayed by the companion of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. So there have been. So this is why they had such a high honor to be mentioned in this verse.
Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam had companions. First of all, in 2 sons. And then Hazrat Lut also was his companion. So Allah, they destroyed a township because of Hazrat Lut and his piety. So Uswa of Ibrahim is obvious, but this Uswa is spread over his progeny, 2 sons and 1 nephew. I'm amazed this evening after listening to the BBC News that the crime for which a whole township was destroyed, sodomy, it has been now fully approved by the government and by the justices now. So much so that it's amazing. In the definition of family, the judge has recently given, a majority of the judges has given this opinion, that a homosexual has every right to call his partner a family. So they should be granted council's houses as such, because council houses are for the families. So here is a fit case of family. This is amazing. These people have not learned the lesson, despite the fact that Allah has also treated them with a disease, punished them with a disease which is called AIDS. It's all the result of homosexuality. And in the same news, there was news about AIDS. So they couldn't connect them.